One of my friends sent me this insane website, and I couldn't stop staring at it. The car movement? Super smooth, super cool. It looks complex, but it's surprisingly simple. As you move your cursor, the image follows, and the trailing cards create this stunning effect. Let me show you how it's done. Create a trail container and add 5 div elements with a class card. Place an image inside the first card. Center the container using display flex, justify content center, align item center, and set its height to 100 viewport height. Style each card with a width of 300, height of 430 pixels, a background, and border radius. Use position, absolute to stack all cards on top of each other. Reduce the image size by setting width and height to 100% and border radius. To fix visibility of image, target all cards using int_child. Set the first card to z-index 7, opacity 1, and background color. Reduce values for other cards so they stay behind the first one. Select all elements with a class card. Add a mouse move event listener. Use window inner width and inner height to get the screen size and divide each by 2 to find the center point. Calculate how far the mouse is from the center and store the result in offset x and offset y. Create a target object with initial x and y set to 0. This defines the first card's position relative to the mouse. The follow range for x is between 190 and 150, and for y it's 100. Multiply the offsets by 0.3 to control motion sensitivity. Increasing this value makes the card follow the mouse more strongly. Create an array to store the x, y, and rotation values for each card. Inside the animate function, loop through all the cards. This will update each card's current position and rotation. If I is 0, the card follows the target. Otherwise, it follows the previous card in the trail. It means the front card is the leader, other cards will follow the leader. Calculate the distance between the leader and the current card's position on both x and y axis. Then multiply by 0.28. This shifts the back card a small step toward the leader, moving only 28% of the remaining distance each frame. Now it's time to apply the transformation to each card using translate x, translate y, and rotate. Call the animate function continuously on each frame, around 60 times per second. Don't forget to start the animation loop. It's working great, but I noticed the card slightly rotates when the mouse moves along the x-axis. You can fix this by multiplying the leader's x position by 0.06. And that completes our final card trail animation, which looks really cool. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Code smart, stay creative.